Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In last video we learned how to create the stored procedure. In this video we will learn about the functions. The functions which we are creating in the database is called user defined functions. Function is of two types, scalar function and table valued function. The function that returns a single data value is called a scalar function, where the function that returns multiple records as a table data type is called a table valued function. It can be set of a single select statement. It contains single statement, then we can call it inline table valued function, where it contains multiple statement, then we can call it multi-statement table valued function. Let's see what is the syntax of creating the function. Here, create or alter the function and the function name with the schema name, and then we need to pass the parameter and its data type. We can pass multiple parameters as per our requirement, and then we need to specify the return keyword and its data type, what kind of data type you want to return from the function, and then we need to specify as keyword, and inside begin and end section we need to give the function body and then return the value. Let's see how we can do it in practical in SQL Server. Let's open SQL Server and select the database where you want to create function and click on new query. What we are going to achieve here in the function, we want the full name from employee table using function. Let's create the function, create or alter function, and then function name. Before writing the name we need to specify the schema as per the syntax, and then get full name, add the rate parameter here, employee ID and its data type, and then here we need to return the data, which kind of data type we want to return here. Let's say I specified 100 character as begin and end, and inside that we need to specify the body of the function. So we can do it by two way. Let's see one way, at the rate full name varchar 100, and then set this value with the data from the table. Select first name plus concatenated with the space, and then last name, as we want some space in between first name and last name. First name and last name from employee table, where employee ID equal to employee at the rate parameter. Let's see, it's saying function did not return any type. Let's return the function, give the full name here. So this is one way of doing it. We can do it by removing, we don't require this one, and just return it here and remove the code. Now this is another way of achieving it. We don't require any variable in the function. Let's execute it. It's executed successfully. Let's just copy the name of the function and then write select dbu.function name and specify the employee ID as a parameter. Let's execute it. We can see that Rakesh Kumar is coming as a full name. Let's change the employee ID and then see it's John Kara, and now it's third one. If you are passing, it's giving Mike Luther. So we can see that there is no column name specified. You can give the alias with the use of as full name and then see, just select the statement and execute it. You can see that it's a full name defined on the column. Let's see how we can create multi-line table valued function. Just write create or alter, it's the same, and the function, and specify the function name with schema get employee list and specify returns, and then here I am using temporary variable to return the result. Let's say employee result, and then the table as begin end. So here we need to define the column, what are columns we need while returning the result. Employee ID, and that is integer, and then I need, instead of first name last name, I need full name, then var char 100. So let's make everything in caps. Just select and then use Control Shift and U, and similarly here, and then make this one as well, and then select this, and now it is caps. Now specify the statement here. In first line I want to insert the record into this temporary table from the employee table. Select employee ID as 1 and then full name. So now full name, how we will do that? First name plus space, and this is system defined function as we did in previously, and use last name from employee. Let's see, the error is gone. Now I want only those records whose employee is greater than 3. Okay, so delete from table name, as we are having the records here, and we want only the data whose employee ID is, delete the record from here whose employee ID is greater than 3. Let's see what is happening here. It is saying include within the function must be return. So here we just include return, that's it. And now execute. Just copy this function, select a star from a function name, execute it, and then see we have only 3 records where employee ID 1, 2, 3 is visible. We have deleted the record from the temporary table whose employee ID is greater than 3. Let's see in the actual table what is happening. Select a star from employee and then check the record here. we can see that all 5 records are here in the actual table, but the function is working on the basis of temporary table. We will cover more into this, why it is happening when it is just the function, right? So we, as the function, do not have any DML operation, data manipulation language, so it is not deleting the actual record from the employee table, it is just deleting the record from employee result. That's why, so we want this kind of function wherever it is required, so it's based on the requirement, but the actual table will as it is. That's it from this video. Thank you for watching.